Hi, I'm Patrick Wanis. Welcome to another one of my insights into the secrets to losing weight, being thin and loving your body. Let me ask you a question. Do you subconsciously believe that you deserve to be thin and happy? Now, of course you're going to say, of course I deserve the best. Do you say that? But do you also believe that? Do you feel that in your heart? Look around in your life. Look at the patterns in your life. Do you find yourself in relationships where they're always the same? Where your boyfriend or even your girlfriend is treating you in a negative way, disrespecting you, cheating on you, betraying you, not being loyal to you, or talking down to you, or standing you up, or doing something that shows you that they don't really respect you? If that's the case, there's a good chance that they most likely are reflecting your own subconscious belief about what you believe you deserve. Because otherwise you wouldn't be attracted to those situations. You'll say, but all guys are the same. Are they really? Or do you have a sign that keeps attracting those people that are going to treat you like crap? It comes down to, do you believe that you deserve the best? Do you truly believe that you deserve to be thin and happy? If you find out the real answer, you'll find out the real solution to losing weight. Because losing weight is much more than just eating less and exercising more. The key to losing weight and coming back to your natural shape is about how you feel about yourself. Do you like yourself? Are you proud of yourself? Or do you suffer from negative emotions, guilt, blame, shame, self-punishment, resentment, bitterness, anger, frustration? What else are you symbolically and subconsciously holding on to? How does that weight, that excess weight, act as a wall between you and the world around you? If you want to learn more, I've created a very large live presentation on the secrets to losing weight, being thin and loving your body. And I've also created a very powerful hypnosis CD to help reprogram your mind, to release those emotional blocks and obstacles, to encourage you and inspire you and motivate you to exercise more and eat less, and to learn to love, like and accept yourself. Remember, believe in yourself. You do deserve the best of everything.